Hello, this is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, October 31st. So key points to go over today is we are expecting warm and dry weather for today and into Tuesday. We are expecting a strong cold front to arrive Tuesday night and to Wednesday morning, and this will bring gusty winds to the area beginning Tuesday afternoon and continuing into Wednesday morning. And we are expecting on Wednesday colder temperatures with rain and snow mix for the valleys Tuesday night and going into Wednesday, and then snow for our mid and upper elevations as well. So looking at our satellite image today, you see some clouds streaming in across the Pacific Northwest. That's ahead of the next storm system that's going to be impacting the area. We are looking for mainly minor impacts, mainly from wind, but a little bit also from the snow as well, going into Tuesday night into Wednesday. So looking at the forecast maps today, you see the cold front is expected to move on shore this afternoon. That will be bringing our weather into the area on Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night. High temperatures today, still pretty mild across the region with many 50s and low 60s expected. As we move into the day on Tuesday, that cold front gets a little bit closer and we will start to see precipitation stream into the area once again very late Tuesday afternoon and more likely Tuesday night. And the winds will probably be the more noticeable thing Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. So this is looking at our high temperature forecast for Tuesday, still rather warm across the region. And then our snowfall amounts that we're expecting Tuesday night, once again, mainly impacting the central mountains, really from Sun Valley northward up to Stanley. Up into the high country there, you can see 4 to 6 inches in some locations. Down in the valleys, we're going to start with a rain-snow mix in many areas, and then change over the snow by Wednesday morning as that cold front pushes through. This is a look at our wind gusts for Tuesday afternoon. Once again, pretty breezy across much of the area with wind gusts of the 20-25 miles per hour in the Magic Valley, but even the central mountains and the eastern Snake Plain and the South Hills, wind gusts anywhere between 35 to 40 miles per hour likely. And then Tuesday night, we're expecting rather strong winds just ahead of that cold front. Some places could see wind gusts of 50 miles per hour or greater. So very strong winds moving in ahead of this cold front. Looking at our low temperatures for Wednesday morning, notice many areas will see temperatures down across freezing. So as that cold front moves through the area Tuesday night, in our valleys, we expect it to start off as rain, but possibly change over to a little bit of light snow Wednesday morning. And this is looking at 8 a.m. the forecast on Wednesday morning, and we're expecting that cold front to be pretty much draped across eastern Idaho at 8 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. And looking at our high temperatures Wednesday, not too much of a rebound from those Wednesday morning lows. Generally highs in the upper 30s to low 40s. Snowfall amounts for Wednesday, generally looking at fairly light amounts, but perhaps some better accumulations up across the Wasatch Front and possibly up in the Island Park region as well. And Wednesday winds gusts for Wednesday, the best wind gusts will probably be during the morning hours. Really from about Pocatello northward, we could see wind gusts in the 25 to maybe even 40 mile per hour range as possible. Expected snowfall with this entire system, generally in our valleys, we're looking for less than an inch of snow. Generally around the Soda Springs area, perhaps Preston, Montpelier, Malad, McCammon, those areas, probably an inch or less. You sit at a little bit higher elevation, better chance of seeing that rain changing over to snow. The Island Park area, about 1 to 2. And then also in our valleys, in the upper Snake Plain out towards Driggs, Swan Valley, generally an inch or less. In the Snake River Plain, probably very little snow. The central Idaho mountains, once again, will see the best chances for snow, with Galena Summit possibly seeing 3 to 4 inches, an inch or 2 likely in the Stanley Basin. So this is looking at the percent chance of seeing really a dusting or more of snow, and you see it in the Snake River Plain, generally looking at a 50% chance or less of a dusting. But as you go into the southeast highlands here, you see chances of right around 70 to 80%. So if you're having any travel plans late Tuesday night or into Wednesday morning, be prepared for a little bit of light snow, possibly trying to stick some of those area roads. And this is true also up in the eastern highlands and the northeast highlands region as well. And then certainly up here in the central mountains as well. This is looking at a percent chance of some heavier snow, so 1 inch or greater. Once again, very little chance of that much snow in the Snake River Plain. Best chance is really in the Island Park region, also up from Stanley, Ketchum up to Stanley. But even down here in the southeast highlands, looking at about a 30 to 50% chance of accumulating snow, generally around an inch. And then this is looking at the percent chance of 4 inches of snow or greater. So this is heavier snow for this event. And you're seeing not great chances generally along the Wasatch Front here in southeast Idaho. Up towards the Island Park area, there's some spots that could see that much snow as well in the mountains above Stanley and Galena Summit. So just to summarize, we're expecting warm, dry weather through Tuesday. A strong cold front arrives Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We expect gusty winds Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday, and then colder with rain and snow changing over to all snow Tuesday night into Wednesday. And that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us and give us a call. Thank you.